So I'm going to show you how to check quotes and respond to quote requests in QuoteG Garage Quotes App. So first of all, download the free app from the Apple Store or Android. Once you've installed the app, on the main screen, click on Login. Enter the username and password you've selected when you signed up, or the ones that were emailed to you. Click on Next. This is the main screen of QuoteG. So now to check your quote request and your quote sent, click on the quotes button. Now first of all, you can check for quote requests. Now click on Start. These are all quotes sent by users in your area who are looking for services that you provide. So from the list, you can just select one or press Next or Previous. On this screen, you will see some photos of the car or the damage or the part that they're looking for. You'll also see some information about the user's car, such as the registration number, the vehicle, the fuel type, and how urgent the work they need is. You will also see some notes sent by the user. Now if this is something that you can do, press Respond. Now on this screen, you can enter some details, or you can ask some questions. You can also give a price. Now the price that you quote is an estimate. It doesn't have to be exact. Once the user has accepted your quote, you can then communicate with them and negotiate a deal, or ask them to bring the car down to have a look. Once you've entered the details, just press Submit. QuoteG will then send your quote to the relevant user. They can then accept or reject it. Now to check whether the user has accepted or rejected your quote, on the main screen, press Quotes button again. Now press My Quotes. Now these are all the quotes that you sent out. If it's green, that means the user has accepted your quote. If it's red, that means it's been rejected. If you click on a green quote, you will get an option to call or send the user an email. You can then communicate with them, negotiate a better price, or also ask them to bring the car down or arrange an appointment. And that's all it is.